Recording.
But I don't want to go up there.
All right, here's a little point of interest. We got a cave, and we got a big old uphill.
After you, buddy. That's our cannon fodder right there.
I'm telling you, dude, that right there's a damn Yamaha.
Oh,
It's like a Sherco to me.
I know.
He made that look easy. Come on, G-Hop. Get after it.
Piece of cake. Second gear.
Justin just screwed up.
Yeah.
Did you hit a kicker? Keep
Yeah.
going. Keep going. It keeps going up.
Yeah, watch that loose rock at the bottom, Kent.
Yeah, you kind of threw Tyler off, so he's
He's
reworked, he's repositioning.
He needs a good run.
I'd rather go up this damn thing than down it.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
Nice. Kent's up. Well played. The betas shine. You took the exact same line I did.
I got Bubba up here on the ATX. He's getting it.
Pork chop up here, halfway up the hill.
Pork chop Bubba and Roger Joe.
Jeff, you behind me now?
I am.
That other dude back there?
Yep.
Okay.
I'm waiting for you. I see somebody. Is that you, Kent?
That's me.
Uh-huh. What?
Oh, that's Jeff.
I'm behind Kent. I got you all coming up that.
That was a shit show. You can't show that to anybody. It's kind of embarrassing.
Kent's standing up, and I'm getting it on film. Oh, look at that!
Good Lord, guys.
Oh, that's going to go viral. I kid you not. TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, you name it.
Every once in a while, I pull something off, and it's just amazing.
You do it whenever the camera's on, you camera hog. Always looking for the viewer count.
Is that you behind me, Kent?
No, it
that's
must be
Tyler. You know the difference between a two-stroke and a four-stroke? Apparently not. Sort of.
Yeah.
One's a dirt bike, one's a street bike.
Yep. That's what Kim says.
The difference between a two-stroke and a four-stroke. Let me guess. 2 strokes.
No.
Well, you know, from a strictly mathematical perspective, yes. It's true.
What is it? Intake, compression, ignition, and exhaust.
Divided by the coefficient of 7.
Yep.
7? I don't
7.
think that's right.
Yeah, no.
No.
Yeah, no, I'm serious.
Really?
All right, which way? Right. I'm not running very fast.
I appreciate that. Thank you.
We see you, homie. There's your gas pipe.
Yeah, buddy. Oh, this is fucking greasy right here.
Greasy?
Yeah.
Greasy?
Greasy.
I don't know about all that. Oh, Kent's out of control. Feet were going everywhere.
Oh, where was it greasy?
Maybe baby powder. What exactly do you put in your grease gun, Justin?
Oh. You knew what I meant.
You never did change your sprockets either, did you, Kent?
Nope, not yet. That 52 is too big. That dirt trick thing. Wonder if I could sell that online.
Oh, sure you could.
A 5213.
Mine's ours is 1448.
Yeah.
Yeah, but 48.
Well, it's apples and oranges. I mean, who knows what the gearing and the transmission, how it's different.
Exactly. It's like the Suzuki's always had really little back sprockets, for example. And I think because they were doing more inside the tranny.
Here we go. Now we're talking about training.
Had to bring it up, didn't you, Kent?
Huh?
Had to bring it up.
It's about inclusion, buddy. Inclusion.
You all lost me.
Trannies, Kent. You started talking about trannies.
Oh, good Lord, guys.
Just kidding.
Who'd you ask me if I knew earlier? Some ice dude or something?
Vanilla Ice.
I don't know these things.
Oh, God. Dung, 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 dung. Dung, 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 dung. Ice, ice, baby.
All right.
Oh, I remember that shit.
Collaborate and listen. Ice is back with a brand new invention.
True.
Something grabs a hold of me tightly. I flow like a harpoon daily and nightly.
Damn.
Will it ever stop? Yo, I don't
Hey, can
know.
we kill this shit somehow? Break that fucking center when we get back at lunch if he keeps singing.
Rolling in my 5.0 with the rack top down so my hair can blow.
Oh, my
The
God.
girlie's on standby waiting just to say hi.
Did she stop?
No.
I just drove by. Kept on.
You've heard that song. Don't you deny it.
No, I have not. I have no idea.
Oh, if we played it, you would say, oh, yeah.
No, I don't think you understand.
So Vanilla Ice was a white rapper.
Okay,
and he
that right there's an oxymoron.
Okay, now wait a minute. I'm not done.
Okay.
He claimed that he was a pro motocrosser.
Oh, really?
And obviously somebody looked it up, and he was a C-class racer in Texas.
All
Yeah.
right, I'm going to try to oof.
He had like a flat top, and it was 80s. It was like around Top Gun time.
Are you sure? I thought it was like maybe late 80s, early 90s.
Maybe. It was early 90s. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
I think. No. I was in high school. It was 80s. Because my buddy Chris Link had the same freaking hairdo. And that was the 80s. That was like 88, 89.
Okay. Yeah, late 80s. Kent, you know who the Beastie Boys are?
I've heard of that.
Okay. Fair enough. Now, here's a little story I got to tell about...
No. Three Bad Riders? You know so well?
Yeah, it started way back in history with that rock, Jeff, Kent, and me.
Good Lord.
That's four.
No, it's not.
Ad Rock, Kent, Jeff, and me. Ad Rock was one of the guys' names.
Oh, yeah.
Ad Rock, MCA, and me, Mike D.
Oh, my God. You know all their names?
I mean, who doesn't?
You grew up with that stuff, Kent.
Yeah.
I've actually got that album on my phone.
Guys, I'm just an old hippie, okay?
I'm an old hippie, and I don't know what to do. Should I hang on to the old? Should I grab on to the new?
Okay,
I know that song.
That's the Bellamy Brothers.
Yes, like I said, I know that song. My dad used to play that song all the fucking time.
Lord, I love that lady wearing tight Wrangler jeans. I'm just up here.
Good Lord.
Yeah, that was sketch.
Yeah, that's what I get for not paying attention.
Oh, dude, I'm up here talking to you guys. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just flying through the woods.
You're doing all right. I mean, Jeff keeps putting his front wheel up here beside
I
me.
have not.
I'd hold.
It's all right, Just trying to get a little film. That's all right. All
I'm
good.
just a squirrel
You know what? I
trying to
think
get
I
a
am still filming.
trying to